Now, starting with number 7, the next part of the paper says solve for x. So all you have to do is get these into x equals whatever that number is. That is the goal. So we want to get all of our x's on one side, all of our numbers on the other side, to where x equals a number. I'm going to do just a few examples. So let's take 2x plus 8 equals 22. Well, my numbers are not on the other side, so subtract 8. Those cancel. 22 minus 8 is 14. We get 2 times x equals 14. Well, that's 2 times x, so we're going to divide by 2 to cancel out that times 2. We get x is equal to 7. They also may have a distribute on there. Well, on distribute, multiply the number outside by everything inside. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. Now, we want to get all of our numbers away from x. So we got to move this minus 20. Always do the opposite, so plus 20. Those cancel. 16 plus 20 is 36. Last thing, 4 times x is 36, so if we divide by 4, we'll know exactly what x is. So there is a second option. Now, this should have been reviewed. This is what you guys are expected to do when you get stuff like this. 3x plus 2 equals 5x minus 18, where you have x's on both sides. Now, you get to choose. I usually prefer putting my x's on the left, so I'm going to move this 5x to the other side. So minus 5x, minus 5x. Those cancel. 3 minus 5 is negative 2. Now I move my numbers to the other side, so minus 2, those cancel, we get negative 2x is equal to negative 20. Last step, divide by negative 2, we get x is equal to 10. Now, where I've seen people really mess up this year when we just had to solve for x is when they throw in an inequality. Let's say we had 4x minus 8 is greater than 3x plus 4. Well, you're going to solve it and just imagine there's an equal sign, and at the end we'll put in our symbol that we need. So let's move our x's to the left, minus 3x. Those cancel. We get 1x here, minus 8 is greater than 4. We don't need that sneaky 1 anymore. We just need to move our numbers to the other side, so to move minus 8, we're going to add 8. Those cancel, and we would get x is greater than 12. So, what I would like you to do on all the inequalities is go back and plug in a number, any number greater than 12, and see if that's just true. So let's try 15. So 4 times 15 minus 8 should be greater than 3 times 15 plus 4. 4 times 15 is 60. 60 minus 8 is 52. Now, we've got, so this should be true. 3 times 15 is 45. 45 plus 4 is 49. And 52 is bigger than 49, so it did check out. So all numbers greater than 12 should work for this. Don't let the inequality trip you up. Solve it the same way as if it's an equal sign. The only big difference, let's say right here we would have a negative 2x, and then we'd have to divide by negative 2. Whenever you divide by a negative, that's when this symbol would flip to the other way. So all you have to do to pay attention to inequalities is at the very end, if you have to divide, you're going to flip your sign, divide by a negative or multiply by a negative, you flip that sign.